Hi guys, welcome back to A4 Biology YouTube channel. This is another video about a Q&A setup that you can add to your revision timetable. And also, make sure to watch till the end because I have some very important study tips at the end. So from unit number 5, we have covered animal tissues, nutrition in animals, circulatory system, osmoregulation, immunity and endocrine system. So in the 5th unit, it has 12 subtopics, and since we have already covered 6 of them, this will be the 7th tutorial for unit number 5, animal form and function. So if you need the previous tutorials, you can refer to the playlist of my channel. As usual, you can download the latest tutorial, gas exchange in animals, from the link in the description, and links to all other previous Q&A tutorials from the 1st, 2nd, 3rd and 5th units are also there if you need. I will continue the 2nd unit video series also. Hopefully the next tutorial from chemical and cellular basis of life will be out very soon. In this new tutorial, you will find all the important question points that can come from the respiratory system of organisms. I thought of explaining some important stuff you need to remember about this section before I wrap up this video. When you take question number 10, which is on amphibians, the reason behind adding this question was an MCQ. So actually this statement is not true. They can respire both using their lungs and skin, not just the skin. Question number 25. This is connected to animal tissues section. Alveolar surface is formed with simple squamous epithelium. It does not contain any cilia. So basically the protection is given by alveolar macrophages instead of cilia. And finally, question number 32. These 4 features will repeat multiple times throughout this section. And this is a very popular question in structured essays if you have done past papers or even school papers. So simply, the first one, the surface has to be moist. The reason for that is to dissolve the gases. And it should have a large surface area to absorb a higher volume of gases depending on the requirement of the organism. The third one, a good blood supply, or in other words, highly vascularized, which literally means having a lot of blood vessels around a particular area. And this is to maintain a steep diffusion gradient. And finally, it has to be thin, because diffusion is only efficient over a very short distance. So that's it for today. Those are the key moments of this tutorial. That's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you all found this helpful. Please subscribe and support my channel. See you soon from the next video. Bye.